My papa no be Dangote, oh Adeleke, but we go day, okay, yeah. For your kiss, for your kiss. This is why I'm always late going somewhere. So when getting ready, I like to start off with my hair first, you know, before I start diving into the makeup and whatnot. So I'm gonna do a little glueless method today with my hair, because I don't want to go to sleep with this unit on. It's too long for me. I'm gonna pull this for the bed. I'm gonna use my Mousse from Gloria collection. Okay, going to dabble with some Mousse. So we're just going to lay these edges, baby. I'm trying to do too much with my hair. I'm just trying to just keep it simple and cute. Because the outfit that I have in mind is going to be snatched, okay? Keep it simple, baby. Just going to lay this baby down. It's a simple 1-2 cute shebang. I'm going to tie this, and then we're gonna get ready with our makeup. Okay. Now let's start with the makeup. First, I'm gonna use my makeup wipe to remove all this excess mousse on my face, because that bad boy can be real sticky. Real sticky. I already applied my regular moisturizer on my skin. My what do you call it? What's the moisturizer? It's the, I don't know. It's for dry skin. So I already used, my skin is funny. It can be oily and dry. So like, I already used the regular schmedular thing. I'm not going to prep my skin a whole lot. Since I already used my moisturizer, I'm not going to go ahead and use this and release moisturizer, because I already got moisturizer on my face already. So I'm just going with my Mario Badescu. Now I'm going to use this Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming. What do you call it? On my brow, kind of put it in my T-zone area too. Now I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever Radiant Prime. I use this as a color corrector, if you would say. Around my mouth, a little bit dark areas. Yes, so you would say that. So I'm using the Absolute New York. This is one of my favorite brow pencils, Superslim brow pencil. Okay, so I'm going to Superslim this brown. Like since I you know, like my eyebrows are trimmed and, you know, put together, I'm not going to have such a thick eyebrows that I've been having lately. You know how they say your brows are, what are sisters, not twins? See, this one, I didn't have to do much to the side of my brow. But this bad boy right here, she be giving me issues, man. Like, she be tweaking on me sometimes. So now I'm going to use my concealer. My favorite concealers now is Tarte concealers. I don't know why, but they've been like, you know, doing a thing lately. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do my eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do nothing extra. I'm just gonna do, cause like my outfit that I want to wear is like so combining me to my head right now. So I think I want to do all black. So since I'm doing all black, I'm going to color on my eye, but not too much, you know. You know what I'm saying? Nothing I like, and I've been doing like one palette thing, and I like it, and I think I'm going to keep that same energy. What a beauty. Y'all, I have so much palettes, like it's beyond me at this point. It is beyond me. So I think I'm going to do this Huda. I'm gonna keep it cute though and simple, not too much. I'm gonna do this Huda Beauty. This stuff is heavy. And I don't have cheap palettes though. I have expensive palettes, and I keep buying. I'm done buying. So I'm gonna do this Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty. I'm gonna go in with the Love Bite first. It's like a dark. Let me see if I can show y'all. It's this. It's right here. I love bites. I'm going to go in with that one first, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go in with like a shimmery baby girl. So I think I'll mix a combination of this kinky. This one is called kinky. This one right here, kinky, and then infatuated. I'm gonna mix in these two. Mostly, I think I'll do mostly kinky. Kinky is like a laid back shimmer. Well, infatuated is more like I'm here. I'm here, girl. One palette gal. So I'm going to use the raw. It's called raw, and it's like a reddish, brownish. I'm gonna use it as my undertone. Transition, but not transition. Get what I'm saying? So it's like right here. So it's raw. I'm going to be using my Fenty foundation at 445. Holy Grail. This is what I'm going to apply to my arm first, kind of warm it up. Then I'm going to use my foundation brush. Going to apply it. Y'all see how this stuff is just sinking into my skin. Just going to apply it. I feel like every time I do a makeup on here, I'm doing something different. Just buffing this in. Now you're thinking in your hair like, that's all the foundation you're going to use. Usually no. Oh, this is just the beginning. So I took off my band because it was getting actually too snug, and I want to work on, what do you call it? My foundation for my forehead. So it's like more blended in. Now I'm going to contour now. Oh my god. I feel like my life is like leaving. It's like running away. Blend the look. Concealer time. So we're gonna start off with my boobs. 53G Tarte. Now we're gonna go under loop, chin. I know you're thinking like, oh my god, the concealer's too light, it's too bright under your eyes. No, it's not. The key with concealer is blending. Like, take your time and blend out your concealer with your damp beauty blender. You will start to see it kind of melt in with your foundation, and it'll be more naturally and more even tone, if you get what I mean. Not too bright, but I'm trying to go for, you know, a highlighted underneath my eye, okay? Trying to have that bright and popping, okay? But just watch how it gradually melts in with my foundation. Powder time. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna use my puff. Now, because like I'm not gonna have this makeup on for a long time, I usually use the Derma Blend all over my face first before I go in with the the goodies, but because I'm not gonna have this on for a long period of time, I'm just gonna do the highlight. Boom boom pow. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup. This is a warmer powder, so it's not gonna give me that gray area. While we're baking, let's finish our eyes. So I think makeup without eyeliner is so terrible. Like, how can you not have eyeliner on? It's like having makeup without lashes. It don't work. Oh, I feel like eyeliner just like brings out the damn. Get what I'm saying? I'm about to go on with my mascara. So there's two, I have two favorite. Y'all know I used to use this a lot. Yeah, somebody put me on, like for real put me on. I forgot who it was. With some good mascara. This is the Ardell. It's a 2-in-1 mascara, and then this is the Benefit mascara. So this is Ardell. Let me open this. Ardell has a small end, one tiny end, and then it has one, you know, big full size end. Okay, it's just amazing. Benefit, on the other hand, I love this one. Benefits is gradient. You know what I'm saying? So like, Benefits has like a gradual like grow. Needless to say, they're both good. So if you're trying to get to your bottom lashes and you rarely have, like, I didn't think I had bottom lashes until I used these mascaras. Baby, my bottom lashes, they there. I just didn't know. They are there. Like, they are there. So I decided to go with Tilted Lashes from my Gloria collection. Yeah, so I already put the glue on there. Just waiting for it to dry. So in the meantime, while it's doing that, I am going to dust away the powder. I'm going to be using my Studio Fix Mineralized Powder in NC45. Going to dust. So take your time with this one. You know what I'm saying? You know, take your time dusting it off. I finally got my lashes on and whatnot. So now I'm going to bronze. You know, I use N45, not NC45 that I said earlier. N45 to kind of wipe away the powder. Whatnot. So I'm about to go in with my bronzer. This is CoverGirl. I don't know why I was help me. So I'm going to use my foundation brush from earlier. Tap tap tap. Contour over my contour, my cream contour. Boom. So bring some color in because I'm kind of like ghostly right now. So we are warming up the face back up again. My Morphe blush kit, going blush it up. I'm feeling ready-ish. So I'm going to blush with my Becca. I think this is, which one is this? Topaz. I haven't found anything better, so. You know, highlight in here to keep it cute, okay? Y'all, the outfit that I'm gonna wear, it's gonna be banging, okay? So now I'm gonna go with my lips. I'll be using a MAC lip liner in Chestnut, my favorite, absolute favorite. Line on lips there. We're gonna go in with this Ultra Matte Lip Avenue from Colourpop, okay? To set my face with a nice satin final seal to seal it all up. Don't get my brush so I can brush my hair down. Ooh, I think I want to change my earrings and put on something a little bit extra. I'll be back. So here's my outfit, y'all. Y'all, I was so cute, like super cute, okay? So my jacket is from Akira, my pants is from Fashion Nova, and my shoes are from Simmi shoes. I will link them all down below. My purse is from Versace, y'all. You know, Christmas gift from Base. Shout out to him, okay? So that's it for my video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna try to do more videos like this. I'm gonna try, keyword try. Bye.